In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how a tenderer without BuildSpace Pro can participate and submit tender. Once the tender has been called by the client, you will receive an email on eTender message notification. Open the email and kindly go through the details of the project. Click at the link included in the email and you will be diverted to BuildSpace eProject login page. Log in by using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Submit Tender page. To download the tender documents, click at Documents and click Tender Documents. You will see the list of the tender documents provided by the project team. Simply click to open the documents and click at the file name to download. You can also click at the Action button on the top right to download all files in the form of zip folder. To submit your tender pricing, click at Submit Tender. You will see the status of the submission is incomplete. Click at the tender and you will see the submission checklist you need to complete. To start with, click at the small box logo on the top right corner and click at the BQ editor. You will then be diverted to BuildSpace Pro. Here you can see the list of builds. Double-click build to go to element level. Double-click element to view the BQ item description. Here you cannot edit the description and all except for the rates. Single-click at the rates column and press enter to key in, then press enter again to save. Once you are done pricing all bills, click at the project breakdown and click Reload. System will auto-calculate the total for you. Click Print BQ to print out either with rates or without rates for your own physical record keeping. You can also print out the project summary from the system. Then, click Submit Tender. Please bear in mind that you are allowed to submit tender rates multiple times as long as the tender has not been closed yet. System will override the previous submission. Then, go back to BuildSpace eProject. As you can see, once tender has been submitted, the checklist will appear in green color indicating this task has been completed. Usually, for a too-big tendering, client will need to evaluate on the technical part as well. To submit the technical evaluation, click at the form to evaluate your company's standing as accordance to client's requirements. Then, click Save. Please ensure that all questions are answered or else it will be considered as incomplete. As for the technical evaluation attachment, click at the attachments. Please ensure all mandatory fields are attached with an attachment. You may compile all documents in one PDF file as system only allows you to upload one single document for each field. If any of the mandatory field does not comply to you, you may upload a blank sheet into it. Then click Upload Attachment. Once all checklist has been successfully submitted, you may now print the acknowledgement letter. Also, the form of tender is auto-generated for you as accordance to your tender rate submission. Click at Print under Print Form of Tender to download in PDF file format. You can also provide project discount or proposal if allowed by the client. Scroll the page down and fill in the sections accordingly. Then click Update Tender Rates Information. The newly updated information will be automatically updated in the system. You may as well click to download the new form of tender, which includes the new updates. For any other supporting documents to be attached with, scroll the page down and click Add Files. Choose File from your device accordingly and click Start Upload. Once all submission checklist has been submitted, you may log out from BuildSpace eProject.